University of North Carolina, Asheville, Department of Education presents a 2-minute task. Today we're doing the Drawing the Ideal Classroom using MS Word, and I'm covering the basics today. Obviously, being Word, you're able to create your own rationale with text, but we're going to focus in on drawing. So first thing I want to do is change the background color so I can at least demonstrate that. So I'm going to Page Layout, Page Background, Page Color, and change the background color. Next, I'm going to go to the Insert tab, Illustrations, Shapes. In this case, I'm going to draw the background, draw the outline of the classroom. So I'm going to click and drag. That becomes my background. I'm going to put in things like desks. So I'll go click the rectangle again, click and drag. That becomes my desk. I'm going to click on the Drawing Tools format, Shape Fill. I'm going to go to the texture and add a nice wood grain to my desk. If I want to make multiple desks, I'm going to make a copy, so I'm going to do my Control-C since I have it selected. And then to paste, just do several Control-V's. And now I can move my desks around, arrange them however I'd like. If I want to make some sort of change to the orientation of the desk, I can grab the Control handle, click and drag, circular motion. So you kind of see how that's working. Now with the same rectangle, I can do things like create a marker board. And I can also create a door. Here's my door. And if I want the door to open, I just kind of click and drag. And with the fine controls with the arrows, I can locate where I want my object to actually end up being. Now with this tool, you can do things like create the table. And if I do a right click on the object, I can add text. So I can type in whatever text I would like. I can do things like create the teacher's table or desk. So I'll grab one of these, make a copy of it, go over here, paste it, drag it wherever I want to. I do have controls over the object on the Drawing Tool format to align objects, rotate them, send them to the front or back, or reposition them. There's also a lot of 3D effects that and other shadowing effects that you can have going on. Since this is my teacher desk, I'm going to make it a bit larger. So I will just kind of grab and control it. Now if I want to add something else, let's do a trash can. I'm going to do the circle tool, do kind of a circle, and I can make it whatever color I want. So that becomes my trash can. Let's go ahead and add a plant. Underneath shapes, I'm going to grab kind of the plant looking object. I'm going to put it on my table here. So right there, and my plant's going to be a bit green. I'm doing this very quickly. You can take your time and dress this out however you want to. Now from objects within, I can go ahead and do things like insert, clip art. In this case, let's do a computer, and okay, so it's a little bit large. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down to a smaller size. I'm going to actually rotate it around and put it on the teacher's desk just to kind of give an idea where it may be. Again, this is two-dimensional. It's not the perfect drawing tool, but in a pinch you can kind of get an idea how this is working. Okay, last part. Let's drag in some sort of object from the outside. I want to put a globe on my table, so I'm going to click on the object format. I'm going to bring it to C. Oh, I need to do my text wrapping and make it square, and then I can bring to front. I'm going to drag the object down and make it a bit smaller. I'm going to drop out the white area. I'll do that with the format, recolor, set transparent, drop out the white here, and I've got my little globe, and we'll put that on my table. So that's where the students will come get their globe. Okay, that's pretty much the basics of this tool. At this point, again, you can add the rationale to the end of it. You can pretty much modify everything that's on the screen and save it and post it to the web. Thank you very much, and good luck.